Hello, so this is our application, the Scout GPS navigation. So we use this application to do testing on it, and these are the processes we followed for testing of the Scout GPS application. Basically, it is a location-based application, and we followed the normal software testing process where we have a test plan, we design, and we have a test document. Then we have a test design. Then we did manual testing, and after that we did automation testing and performance testing and so on and so forth to find many bugs in the application. So now, as of now, I'll be just going through the manual reports and everything. Then I'll be detailedly explaining the automation testing we have done and the reports and the scripts we have generated to do so. So yeah.
So this demo is generally for performing automation test and showing the demo for automation test, what the results we got and how we perform the automation test. So this was our test process we have followed. Like we have analyzed, then designed, then set up the environment, and then design test cases executed. Then again design the test cases. Whatever results you are getting, if you are having any bug, we reported it using the tool Bugzilla, and then we have generated final report. Me, Gokul, and Leela Surya as a team.
So we also use many methods like black box testing methods and manual GUI testing methods, and we also use state-based testing models to do the report. So yeah.
Okay, so let's move ahead for the types and features. So these are the features of our applications, and moving ahead with the features. Okay, so this is the testing model, which is test model. This is the configuration and connectivity model. This is the high level GUI model uh, for our for our testing project of Scout application, and yeah. So the main purpose of our application is to test for the location-based testing, and we have used this location-based model. So in this location-based model, we have divided into the like we have decided few sub locations on the map, like San Jose, San Francisco, San Diego, and Vallejo, and took some geographical objects like parking, ATM, restaurants, gas station, movies, airports, and yeah, we have done the manual testing on all those things, and also we have performed we have written the automation test scripts for all those location based objects, which is geographical objects like parking, ATM, restaurants. We have searched using the automation script, and we have verified the results according to using some well defined and systematic approach using automation test. So these are the location test model, and yeah, we got this as our test objects, and this is the graph showing that this all. Uh, this is our report for location based model, and this consists of all test cases for manual as well as automation test reports. So we are having the coverage of location testing, and then for service we have got the coverage of 3 out of 3. So these are some bugs we found in the application. Now manual testing report will be explained by Surya.
Well, this is about manual testing, and these are the bugs we identified. So one of the main bugs is that a 3D map is not working, and while we switch the feature of 2D mapping, 2D maps to 3D maps, it's not showing up. And this is how we documented the bugs using Element tool, and this shows the feature versus bugs. And this is all the test case summary. What we did like system testing and installing testing, configuration testing, and these are the total test cases, and these are the total failed test cases, and this gives the report of manual testing. And next comes the performance and load testing. And for to load testing, we use neoload tool. By using this, we can accurately detect the performance of the application on iOS and Android apps. And these are the test results we simulated by using neoload.
Next is the automation testing. So in the automation testing, we used tools called C-test automation and element tool. So C-test automation is basically used for Windows, Android, and iOS. And we actually recorded some scripts and also used written some Java scripts to like simulate automation scripts on settings and navigation features. So this is just a screenshot of it. Then this is one of the test execution summaries of one of the test script we have written. And
Okay, so for JMeter, we have recorded the all our of scripts and then downloaded the scripts using BlazeMeter and pushed it onto the JMeter, and then we have performed the JMeter testing for our stress testing. Like for one users, we got the average time of 24 millisecond, and then for 500 users, we got the average time for 113 milliseconds, and for 5,000 users, we got the average time for 119 milliseconds. Yeah, this is the report for our BlazeMeter tool. We got all some fancy graphs and some good results out of it, and we have included that in report. But this is the generalized overview of what results we got for the load as a load testing of our application, and also the response time of the system. And also we have performed some security testing, and this is the most important part of any product, like if the product is more secure or not. So we have found that the product is using TSLV version 1.2 protocol, which is very secure, and transferring all the user information using using the secure connections, using some encryption hashing algorithms. So yeah, we have used Wireshark to analyze packets transferred by the application. This is the complexity of our features with manpower, and yeah, the conclusion of our report is will be explained by Gokul.
So finally, these are the total number of overall testing we have done. So we have done a lots and lots of manual testing. Then we've done a lots of automation testing as well. So and this project is mainly based on location based model. So uh, and automation scripts we have written almost 62 automation scripts, and we almost done 362 manual test cases. And so this is the final wraps out of it. And that's it.
And also we have shown T and Professor automation live automation scripts running on the day of presentation. So this is all our demo of our project, and thank you. This is the end of
Thank,
our project.
thank you.